to my kitchen. I'm making some Nature's Flu Shot today, and I thought you all might like to see how to make it. I got this recipe from a former doc student, Christy Holloway, now Dr. Holloway. And when I was feeling not so well, a few weeks before Thanksgiving, I made this Nature's Flu Shot and took a little bit 3 times a day for a couple of days and felt so much better. So now I am making some preventatively, since it is now winter, and I thought it would be great if we had some in the refrigerator. So if any of us get a cold or flu kind of symptoms, that we can take this. So you need lemons. I use organic lemon, and you're gonna squeeze the lemon. So I have a pressed fresh ginger, garlic, a whole bulb of garlic, and pineapple juice. I use organic, 100% pure, not from concentrate, no sugar added pineapple juice. And if you are trying to reduce your sugar, then you might want to use part water, part pineapple juice. I do that sometimes, but it calls for 3 cups of pineapple juice. So I like to use the unsweetened organic. And I am going to use a little bit of local honey. If you are giving this to children below the age 1, do not add the honey. And if you're also trying to keep your sugar down, then you can leave out the honey. I'm putting a little bit of local honey in it because I think that it helps with allergies, keeping our allergies, help boost our immune system. And sometimes I think that some of the symptoms that we get are allergies. So I will make a batch and show you how to do that. So I also found these nifty little things. I found them at Target in the freezer section. So I don't know if you can find them anywhere else or if you can even find them online. But I thought it was super great. You stick them in your freezer, and it's just a serving size of crushed real ginger. As you can see, I use them a lot. And you just peel it back and push it out of the package, and it gives you 1 little serving size. So I thought these are super nifty when you need garlic or ginger, because you don't always have fresh ginger around. They also have herbs, cilantro, basil, all kinds of stuff. So you can have that in your freezer, and you can just pop it into whatever recipe you have. So you could use the garlic and you could use the ginger to make the Nature's Flu Shot if you don't have fresh. So I have washed all the produce and juiced the lemons into a bowl. I do that so that I can get any seeds out of there, which would not be the end of the world if we blended a couple seeds, but it will make it kind of bitter. So I get those out, and then you get 3 cups of your pineapple juice. I never measure anything. I'm giving you the recipe so you can follow it precisely if you want to. The recipe actually calls for ginger powder, but I am using actual real ginger. So I broke off a piece from the fresh ginger and then just peeled it. So I've got that, dropping that in. The whole bulb of garlic. It's a lot of garlic, so it's all clean and peeled, and it's all in there now. Our lemon juice, again, I used 7 because some of them were kind of small. So, but it calls for 6. So little cayenne. I just do a little, just a little. If you are using honey, you can put your honey in there. So I'm just gonna use a little bit, not even a full 2 tablespoons. Perfect. So is that everything? We got our pineapple juice, we got our honey, garlic, lemon, cayenne. I think that's it. Just blend her up. Let's see. So I'm going to much, maybe a little less. 3 times a day-ish, depending on how you are feeling. If you're doing it preventatively, maybe you just do it once a day, a couple times a day. If you're really feeling not well, 3 times a day. Stay well, people.